My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2012 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle has done just under 98,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the screen we can access radio and media, navigation, menu, Bluetooth and voice control. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The Wrangler also comes with an open top roof, which we can open and close using the clips along the side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.